How to change Alibaba account's password. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Create Login Delete. In this video, I will be showing you guys the simplest way to change Alibaba account's password. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your Alibaba app. Here we go. This kind of page will appear. At the bottom, you can find different options. Go to this option, My Alibaba. Open it. Now scroll down. Over here, you can find this option of settings. Open it. Now here you can find this option of change password. Open it. Now you will receive verification code in your email address that is linked with your Alibaba account. Tap on this option Get Code. In the case email is unavailable, tap on this option. But as mine is available, I'm gonna tap on Get Code. Now close it and open your Gmail. Here we go. At the top you can see that Alibaba has sent me the verification code. Copy this code. Close this, open your Alibaba app, paste that code over here and then tap on Next. Now you have to enter your current password and then enter new password for your account. After you enter it, tap on Next and your password has been reset. This is how you change Alibaba account's password. I hope now you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.